Hi guys, welcome to the Alien News Network. Today I want to talk about the Donald Trump's new Space Force. Let us take a look at Secure Team 10, the truth behind Trump's Space Force.
To immediately begin the process necessary to establish a Space Force as the sixth branch of the armed forces. That's a big statement.
That's a really big statement. So we are going to have Space Force as a sixth branch.
You all believe in it very strongly, as I do. It's the future. It's where we're going. I suspect whether we like it or not, that's where we're going. It's space.
It's space. If we like it or not, that's where we are going. So the Space Force. All you need to know about Trump's bold new interstellar plan. Mike Pence announced on Thursday a new military branch dedicated to fighting wars in space. Fighting wars in space. To fight wars in space, you need, of course, an opponent or an adversary. Who are these adversaries? Are these opponents aliens? We at Alien News Network think so. In a speech Thursday, the Vice President Mike Pence outlined plans to create a Space Force, built as a brand new branch of the US military, dedicated to fighting wars in space. The idea has prompted plenty of enthusiasm from Star Wars fans and serious defense wonks alike, but also plenty of head-scratching from critics who question the need for the United States to shift the battlefield to the heavens. Okay, a lot of Star Wars fans. That brings me to the next part about the Solar Warden secret space program and the black budget. This is one of the English hackers who hacked the Pentagon system.
They got me.
McKinnon found on NASA's servers a high-definition image of a large cigar-like object floating above the northern hemisphere.
Found a large cigar-like object that was something like in Star Wars, the big spaceship. And one of these programs, Gaia, the secret space program, they showed how it was made and where it was made,
which didn't exist. And
So the super space program shows how far advanced these secret spacecrafts are. They are way ahead of time, maybe 50 or like 100 years ahead of what we think is the most sophisticated spacecraft. So we got like the Solar Warden was what they saw was like entities and not born from this planet, and maybe they've also seen living aliens. And William Tompkins revealed that he had to design spaceships for the US Navy for aircraft manufacturer Douglas. This project was called Solar Warden. What we just saw, the spaceships. Star Wars type of spaceships, and the larger ships were 1 to 6 kilometers in size. So according to him, these spaceships were actually built in an underground installation in Utah in the 1970s, and all these technologies are kept behind closed doors so that the rest of the world cannot develop them. So now Donald Trump wants to create a Space Force. It looks like a gigantic.
the larger ones were from 1 kilometer to 6 kilometers. These ships fly in space.
6 kilometers, it's really huge. So tell me what you think. Is this an alien spacecraft of space army to fight aliens, or is it just to defend the earth from whatever can come to us. And is Donald Trump the chosen one, the one elected to save us from these aliens that are coming to get us and what I think to eat us? I hope so. I hope Donald Trump gets his space army and we can all fight back when they come to get us. Please let me know what you think about the Space Force of Donald Trump. And thank you for watching, and until next time.